Hey everyone, I wanted to show you a quick technique that I use this in the Slipstravaganza, and he's starting the winter lights shawl this way. Basically, you have to cast on 3 stitches, and you're going to work an I-cord, and he's slipping stitches back and forth on his needle. To do the I-cord, I basically just use a DPN, and I'll show you why I do that here in a second. So you have your stitches that you've cast on. The first thing you do is you knit them. Just knit the 3 stitches. Okay. Okay, the first thing you want to do is you want to knit them. And then after he knits them, he transfers them back purlwise to the left-hand needle. So what he does is he takes these and slips them to this needle and knits them again. What I like to do, since I'm on a DPN, is I just go slide to the other end so I don't have to slip, and I knit these, and it creates the I-cord, and that way I don't have to keep sliding my stitches back and forth. When I've knit this, instead of slipping them back purlwise to this other needle, just slide it to the end and keep on knitting. However long we're supposed to be knitting this, I haven't even checked that yet. I just got so excited to share this with you that I hit record. But anyway, you can see, let me finish this stitch and I'll show you how it's starting to form the I-cord. You can see how the I-cord's starting to form, and you're not having to transfer all those stitches. I just knit that, slide it to the other end, knit, and keep on going for however many times you're supposed to do that. Anyway, thought it was a great tip. Thank you so much for watching. We'll go on to the next part of the video.